Man, I've actually screwed up on my coffee this morning. I put too much water into the mixture and it's a little bit lighter than what I normally like. Anyway, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing on the GoPro Hero 7. But you may be asking yourselves, I already unboxed the GoPro. How come you're gonna be doing an unboxing? Well, you're actually in luck today because I did buy a new one just because it was on sale for the holiday season and stuff like that. And it's right there. Here it is, a brand spanking new GoPro Hero 7. Yep, this is it. Just open up here at the bottom. Hold this. Just pull it out. Yeah, just a quick word in my opinion. You know, GoPro should get rid of this heavy, expensive plastic and put those savings onto the customers, you know. You can save like 10 bucks, and then you never know. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, right? Anyway, here is the GoPro. Pretty cool. Comes with the housing and I guess a mount and a little screw thingy to connect to the mount. Cool, so let me just pull this up. Yep, there you go. So that's the GoPro. What I do like about the GoPro's new housing is it feels like it's a better plastic. It seems much more sturdier and much more rugged, you know, industrial, which I like. And just pulling the GoPro out of the housing is a little bit tighter too, so there's less rattling when you're doing sports and stuff like that, which I do like. The GoPro Hero 7, it's the same size as the 6 and the 5. But I think it might be a little bit heavier. I'm not too sure. There's no battery in here just yet. Maybe if I put the battery, it might feel a lot heavier. It could be kind of the same. I don't know. And there's even the sticker here at the back. Yep, there you go. So, yeah, so that's the GoPro Hero 7. Next, going on to what is in the box. Make sure you open the box from the right side, because the first time I opened it from this side, and it took forever for me to open it. Anyway, we got instructions in different languages. Yep. So there's English, Francis, Deutsch, Italiano, Espanol. So many different languages. Chinese, Japanese, Korean. But who reads the instructions anyway? Alright, so we got stickers. Wow. I'm not gonna use that. Nope. You got a gray GoPro card. Oh, it's a plus card. It says damage replacement, cloud backup, discounts, and GoPro. Ooh, discounts. What? Yeah, you should read what they give you. They give you discounts on certain things. Maybe. Cool. So if I open that up, it shows to download the app, connected to your phone, how to put in the battery, SD card, how to mount it to your helmet. I don't have a stinking helmet around. Going to open what's in here. There's a battery, you know, just put it in the GoPro, put that aside. Ooh, USB-C. I guess mounts. You can mount the housing to these mounts somewhere. Oh, I know where you can mount it. Yeah, right there. Put the GoPro there. And you jogging. Yeah, you get the point. Another type of mount, I think this one could be for a helmet because it's kind of round here. Yeah, so that might be for a helmet. This one might be just for flat surfaces or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for unboxing the GoPro. There's not much to it, not much inside. I wish, though, that GoPro would throw in an SD card, you know, in with the GoPro. Instead of having that real expensive plastic, they should throw in the SD card. You know, that's just my opinion. And just so you know that this is not sponsored by GoPro, so it's my complete non-biased unboxing on the GoPro Hero 7. Anyway, that is it, guys. I'm gonna do a quick videos on the GoPro Hero 7 in the future, so stay tuned.